arrived.
He went for a hole there, boys, that was not. Chris to clear GT traffic. This is frightening stuff. Alan McNish is still in the car. That's for the lead of the race.
It wasn't there. I mean, we're talking about it. It's really difficult to see out of that car, and it just...
Peter Aronson tries to get out of the way, but the leader is blocked. And there's contact, and that is blocked in a huge race-leading car is destroying Marshall's race.
Incident involving an Aussie race car, and Brendan Tucker, check this out for a roll that gains momentum. How many, can you count that? Actually, these blokes up here can't count for that sort of.
Moving inside the car, he's going on the inside of Ryan Hunter-Reay. This reminds me almost of Dan Weldon's crash here in turn 3 and 4 quite a few years ago, and the car is up into the fence, which is almost reminiscent of Kenny Brack's accident at Texas quite a few years ago, guys. Very, very lucky.
You know, he was incredibly lucky that he did not go head into that fence. That is a horrible impact.
Wow. All right, let's go on board from Helio Castroneves' point of view.
You can see Mike was trying for some reason to go on the inside.
Wow, he almost collected Anna Beatrice. Now from Ryan Hunter-Reay's car.
So you can see that he got hit on the inside and up over the top, and you can see Ryan Hunter-Reay moving his hands, and he looks up in front of him and he goes, my gosh, I can't believe that.